Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off videos you might like on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Videos you might like to turn off. Firstly, open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy here, click on notifications here. Now you can see here videos you might like. You turn it off, this type of gray mark will appear here. It means that the videos you might like will not be appear here. If you are not interested, turn it off. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.